Readers, welcome to Big Ideas Math, Contract Math, Section 9.1, 2012 edition, Introduction to Probability lesson. Pause while you write Section 9.1, 2012 edition lesson in your math notebook. Pause again while you write today's lesson objective in your math notebook. Today's objective is use samples to make predictions and draw conclusions about two populations. Copy the following key terms, definitions, and examples exactly as they appear into your notebook. An experiment is an activity with varying results. An outcome is a possible result of an experiment. Here's some more key terms, definitions, and examples for you to copy into your notebook. An event is a collection of one or more favorable outcomes of an experiment. Probability is a number from 0 to 1 that measures the likelihood that an event will occur. Today we'll be starting on page 386 in your math textbook, Example 1, Identifying Outcomes. You roll the number cube. A. What are the possible outcomes? So when we're talking about outcomes, that's anything that can happen. So the 6 possible outcomes are rolling a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So those are all of the things that can happen. So you would need to list all of the numbers that are on the die. Letter B, what are the favorable outcomes of rolling an even number? So if you want an even number, then you need to list the favorable outcomes of it being an even number. So the even numbers on a 6-sided cube are 2, 4, and 6. And then those that are not even are 1, 3, and 5. So the favorable outcomes of the event are rolling a 2, 4, and 6. Letter C, what are the favorable outcomes of rolling a number greater than 5? So the only number that's greater than 5 is 6 on a 6-sided die. The favorable outcome of the event is rolling a 6. Moving on to example 2, counting outcomes. You spin the spinner that's at the left. How many possible outcomes are there? The spinner has 6 sections, so there are 6 possible outcomes. Even though 3 of them are red, there are still 6 outcomes because you count each red space as a separate outcome. In how many ways can spinning red occur? The spinner has 3 red sections, so spinning red can occur in 3 ways. In how many ways can spinning not purple occur? And what are the favorable outcomes of spinning not purple? So the spinner has 5 sections that are not purple, so spinning not purple can occur 5 ways. And those ways are listed in this chart down here. Not purple is red, 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 green, or blue. So the favorable outcomes of the event are red, 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 green, and blue. Your assignment for this lesson is to complete the On Your Own problems 1 and 2 below. They are also on pages 386 and 387 in your math textbook. Show your work and be prepared to share during our next class. Please remember, to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson, you must complete your exit slip, come to our next class prepared with the journal pages or other work from the flipped lesson completed, and be prepared with any work that was assigned in the flipped lesson completed. Be prepared with any questions you have for the teacher, and always have a good attitude. We'll see you next time in class.